Nensimbi. Wabuya nje lapha esefitini ngakwazi ngithi ukulela lutho. Besigeza. Simenzela yonke into manje bengayenzi lutho ekhaya. Besimenzela yonke into kwaphela abantu ekhaya bakhona baningi ngisho ingane yakhe. Bengakwazi ngisho ukuthi ayisize. Benabantu abayisizayo lekhaya. Kodwa nje yena bengaka-recover kahle. Uza kubuyela esimweni sakhe kodwa nje bese right ngoba bengakhubazekanga kule ngozi eyenzakala because benensimbi nje isandla besinazo bese kancane kancane bese sibuyele esimweni saso. Asa fresh lawo awenzile njobe ekhuluma indaba zorafu lo rafu vele futhi wayitshela ukuthi ndobe njobe emshayisa uzophinde futhi lo rafu ayokudla awudle naye.
Him to reflect on this terrible thing that has happened, harrowing. Ndosi, what's your response to lento eyenzakelela?
The problem this time is that the work we do, people forget that basically we're human beings, we are relatives, we have people we love and all that. As you hear this thing and the nation, as you say, is outraged, remains news until you go to the house and you realize that it's more than news. When you get in the house, you see this 2-year-old and you realize that 2-year-old doesn't have mother, doesn't have father. But the worst part of it is that somebody took a decision of taking both mother and father out of a 2-year-old. And you look at everybody in the house, everybody devastated and all that kind of thing. So besides that, this GBV, there are families, there are people that love those people behind the understanding and the theory of the GBV. We believe that as men, as families, I would always say, as I've said, that families, they do need to play a role on this one. Because this is a Cele family, I raised it with it. There were indication, there were signs that things are not going well. So rather than allowing and giving the free role of the young woman to take the decision, they should have protected her to say, this is not the way, because it's not a first big thing that happened. That kind of attempted murder, I'm told, hit her by the car and ran away. It was telling that to his mind, in his mind, he wouldn't mind to see her dead one day. So families, they should also come close to these matters. But broadly, we as men, I think most of us, we must take responsibility, talk to one another, and be there.